Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. For today, magsasagot na naman tayo ng random math problems. And kahit sino ay pwedeng manood nito, wala namang mali. Ang mali lang is yung pinaglaban mo yung taong hindi ka naman pinaglaban.
I still love you.
Ayun guys, simula na tayo. With what polynomial must 8x to the 5th minus 10x squared plus 2x plus 5 be divided to get a quotient of 4x squared minus 3 and a remainder of 5 minus x? So ganito, recall natin yung pinaka-basic. Yung dun tayo sa pure numbers. Paano kung pure numbers? Kunwari, 9 divided by 2. This is equal to 4 remainder 1. Ngayon, gagawin natin siyang equation. Paano? Ang gagawin natin, di ba, pares lang to sa 9 over 2. 4, copy yung product. And yung remainder, ipa-plus lang natin, plus 1 over the divisor. Ano yung divisor dito? Di ba? 2. So, instead of this na may remainder, ang gagamitin nating expression is eto. So, ganito rin yung gagamitin natin dito sa problem. Pwede nyong i-check. This is equal to this. Using the LCD lang. Kunwari, isa pa. 10 divided by 3, that is equal to 3, remainder 1. So, itong, pwede natin siya isulat as ganito, 3, and plus yung remainder over the divisor, which is 3. So, instead of that, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, dito na tayo sa problem. So, ano daw? Ang hinahanap is divisor. Kasi ito, dividend yan. So, dividend, sulatin natin, x to the 5th minus 10x squared plus 2x plus 5. We will let divisor is equal to d. Ayan, kasi yan yung hinahanap. So, divided by the divisor, which is d. Di natin alam. Is equal to the product. Ano yung product? For x squared minus 3 plus, eto na yung kaninang sinasabi ko. Yung remainder is 5 minus x. And over the divisor. Ano yung divisor? Di ba d? Yun yung hinahanap natin. And now, mayroon na tayong equation and we will solve for d. And yun na, tapos. Paano ba natin to gagawin? Pwede natin to, itong whole expression, ikabila. So, magiging 8x to the 5 minus 10x squared plus 2x plus 5 over d. So, from positive magiging negative. 5 minus x over d. And matitira na lang is 4x squared minus 3. So next, pwede natin siya i-combine kasi similar fraction. So we have 8x squared, ax to the 5th, 10x squared plus 2x plus 5 minus, ipasok natin sa parenthesis. And pwede natin simplify. So minus 5, tapos magigitong plus x. So, sa kabila, ito na lang. And next, ito may cancel. X plus 2x magiging 3x. So, pwede natin alisin to. Ayan. Then, cross multiply. Kapag cross multiply natin, we have d times 4x squared minus 3 is equal to, kasya pa naman, di ba? So, 8x to the 5th minus 10x squared plus 3x na lang, di ba? 3x. So, doon na tayo sa taas. Pwede natin siya divide both side by ito. 4x squared minus 3. Pasensya na po kung maingay. Tapos dito na tayo focus. So, pag divide both side natin, we have d. Yun na yung sagot natin. So, 8x to the 5th minus 10x squared plus 3x all over 4x squared minus 3. Pasensya na po kung maingay. And now, pwede natin siya i-factor. Yung numerator, iba pare sila may x. So, we have 8x to the 4th minus 10x plus 3. Diba? Then, all over 4x squared minus 3. And, ito ay pwede din natin siya ma-factor. So, we have d is equal to, diba? Pwede natin siya i-factor as 4x squared. So, dapat marunong na tayo mag-factor and 2x minus 1. So, check nyo na lang kung tama. Pero tama yan talaga. So now, cancel. Ito na lang yung divisor natin. Anong distribute natin? We have 2x squared minus x. So, ito na yung hinahanap sa problem. The car is driving along a highway at 55 km per hour. The driver notices the bus 1/2 km behind. The bus passes the car 1 minute later. What was the speed of the bus? So, pag ganito, drawing natin, kunwari, ito yung car. So, huwag na natin pagandahin. Basta yan yung car. Ang speed niya daw is 55 km per hour or kph. Ayan. Tapos, the driver notices the bus 1/2 km behind. So, kunwari, andito yung bus. So, basta bus yan. Yan. Tapos, 1 km daw. So, ito is, ay 1/2. Next, the bus passes the car 1 minute later. So, after 1 minute daw, magpapas yan, sasabayan yan after 1 minute. So, ilagay natin, 1 minute. Tapos, ang hinahanap, what was the speed of the bus? So, speed yung hinahanap natin nito. So, ang gagawin natin first, i-consider natin na kapag ito papalapit dito, magkakasabay yan, ito ay gagalaw din. Mga kunwari dito, after 1 minute, andito na yan. So, dapat i-consider pala natin yung distance na matatravel niya dito, hindi lang 1/2 kilometer. Kasi nga, gumagalaw din to. Di naman nagsabing nag-stop yung car. So, kunin muna natin yung distance na matravel nitong car after 1 minute. So, t is 1 minute. So, using the elementary formula, speed is equal to distance over time. We will solve for d. We have the st. So, substitute. Ang speed natin is 55 km per hour. Pero, yung time natin is naka-minute. So, dapat, i-convert natin siya into hour. So, 1 minute. So, kunwari ito. 1 minute, paano ma-convert sa hour? So, ang conversion factor is 60 minute, 1 hour. So, maka-cancel to, we have 1/60 hour. So, ayan yung gagamitin natin. 1/60 hour. So, simplify na natin to, maka-cancel to, di ba? So, we have 55/60 or 11/12 km. So, ito yung madadagdag na ita-travel ni bus. So, 11/12 km. So, dito na tayo mag-focus sa bus kasi ang hinahanap is yung speed ng bus. So, di ba ang 1 minute is equal to 1/60 hour? So, dito na tayo. Using the speed is equal to distance over time. Ang distance na matatravel nito after 1 minute is etong lahat. So, 11/12 plus 1/2 all over. Ang time niya is 1 minute or 1/60. Dapat naka-hour siya kasi ang speed ng isang ng car, kilometer per hour. So, dapat ang speed niya din, kilometer per hour. So, ito kilometer, ito yung hour. So, we have S. Simplify natin sa taas, we have 11 plus magiging 6. So, pwede natin siya isulat as 17. 17/12 over. So, sulat natin yung S. 1/60. Next, pwede natin i-multiply both numerator and denominator by 60. Kasi same lang naman yan. So, eto, cancel, we have 5. So, sa taas is 85. Sa baba is 1 na lang. So, eto na yung sagot. So, kph. Eto na yung speed ng bus. The supplement of an angle is 4 times its complement. Find the complement of angle. So, ano ba tong supplement and complement? From the word supplementary, pag sinabi natin ang dalawang angle ay supplementary to, ang sum ng dalawang angle is 180 degrees. While sa complementary, two angles are complementary if yung sum nila is 90 degrees. So, let's have an example. Kunwari, what is the supplement of 90 degrees? So, ang supplement niya is 90 degrees din kasi ang sum nila dapat is 180 or pwede mo ding gawing subtract mo lang 180 minus the given. So, ito yung sagot. Isa pa, what is the supplement of 30 degrees? So, ang supplement niya is 150 degrees. Kasi, ang sum dapat nila is 180. Or pwede ring i-minus mo. 150 minus 30, 150. Let's say, variable. What is the supplement of A? So, ang supplement niya is 180 degrees minus A. So, ganyan lang. Same dito sa complement, 90 dapat ang sum. So, we have, what is the complement of 40 degrees? Ang complement niya is 50 degrees. Kasi nga, ang sum nila is 90. Kunwari, 30 degrees, ang complement niya is 60. Ang sum is 90. So, ayun. Ganyan yung concept na gagamitin natin dito. The supplement of an angle. So, di given yung angle. So, let's say yung angle is theta. So, ang supplement daw ng angle, theta, is, so, ayan yung supplement niya, is 4 times its complement. So, anong complement nito? Di 90 degrees minus theta. Yung kanina nga. Yan, di ba? Then, find the complement of an angle. Ang hinahanap natin yung complement. Ang complement niya is 90 degrees minus theta. Ito yung hahanapin natin mamaya. But, we will solve first the angle, yung theta. So, ito, we have 360. Pwede natin muna alisin yung mga, degree. So, we have 4 theta. And pag nilipat mo magiging positive 4 theta, we have 3 theta kasi ito negative. So we have 180. Theta is equal to 60 degrees. Divide both side by 3 lang. So ito yung hinahanap natin. So 90 minus 60 is 30 degrees. Ito na yung the sum of the present ages of Alex and Ben is 39. In 5 years, Alex will be twice as old as Ben was 4 years ago. How old will Ben 10 years from now? So, pag ganyan, age problem, gawa tayo ng table para mas maganda. Sino yung involved? Si Alex and Ben. And next, dapat i-consider natin yung mga tenses na ginamit. Yung future age, past age, and present age. So, dito yung past, ito yung present, and yung future age nila para hindi tayo malito. So, ayan. Kunwari, ito. Dito na tayo sa, sentence. The sum of the present ages of Alex and Ben is 39. So, since wala namang given kung anong age ng isa sa kanila, we will let X be the age of Alex in the present. Dito tayo sa present kasi present ages. So, the age of Ben is 39 minus X. Bakit? Kasi nga, yung sum daw nila is 39. So, pag inad mo yun na dalawa, 39 ang sagot. Next, in 5 years, so pwede na natin maglagay dito in 5 years. So, x plus 5. Ito magiging 44 plus minus x. Nagdagdag na akong 5. Sabi daw, in 5 years, Alex will be thrice as old as Ben was 4 years ago. So, may 4 years ago. Pwede natin siya i-fill dito, 4 years ago. So, ito, x minus 4. Edi 4 years ago, pwede maging 35 minus x. So, ngayon, ang hinahanap, how old will Ben 10 years from now? So, eto yung present age ni Ben ngayon, now. 10 years from now daw. So, mag-add tayo ng 10. Pero, di natin alam si X. So, gamit etong sentence, gagawa tayo ng equation. Sabi baga dito, in 5 years, Alex will be thrice. Eto yung Alex in 5 years. So, in 5 years, Alex will be thrice as old as Ben was 4 years ago. Ilan si Ben 4 years ago? Di ba? Ito si Ben. 4 years ago is ito. So, ilalagay lang natin dito and solve for X. We have ilan to? 105. So, 3X. We have X plus 5. Solving for X, we have 4X 105. X is equal to 25. Pero, ang hinahanap is etong Ben 10 years from now. So, substitute lang natin. Minus ilan yung X? 25. And plus 10, we have 24 years old. Ito na yung final answer natin. Solve for X. X to the 4th minus 5X squared plus 4 is equal to 0. So, ito, madali lang naman. Kasi kung mapapansin nyo, X squared, X to the 4th, may same silang pwede natin i-let U is equal to X squared. Kasi ito may X squared. Ito may x squared din. So, pwede natin siya isulat. Di ba ang x to the fourth can be written as x squared? Then squared. So, copy na natin yon. And then, now, substitute na natin. U is equal to x squared. Ito may x squared, ito may x squared. So, we have u squared minus 5u plus 4 is equal to 0. And factor na lang natin. Di ba? This is equal to u minus 1, u minus 4. So, dapat gamay na natin yung basic. And then, solve for u, we have u is equal to 1. And, ayusin na natin to. U is equal to 4. But, ang hinahanap natin, solve for x. So, balik na lang natin dito. Di ba u is equal to x squared? So, dunan muna tayo sa u is equal to 1. So, 1. So, to solve for x, just take the square root. So, we have positive negative 1. As doon naman tayo sa pangalawa. So, if u is 4, so we have 4 x squared. Just take the square root both sides kasi mawawala lang yan. X is equal to positive negative 2. So, ito na yung value ng x. Itong 4. 1, negative 1, 2, negative 2. The sum of the square roots of two positive integers is 5. If the two numbers differ by 5, what are the integers? So, isa-isay natin. The sum of the square roots of two positive integers. Let's say a and b are the positive integers. So, we have the square root of a plus the square root of b is equal to 5. So, ayan. Next. If the two numbers differ by 5, what are the integers daw? So, dito, order is not significant. So, kung alin sa dalawa yung mas mataas. Kunwari, a yung mas mataas. So, a minus b is equal to 5. Kasi nga, differ. When you say differ, difference yan. Now, hahanapin na natin yung a and b. So, madami ditong ways. And ang pinaka-simple is, we will solve for one variable in terms of the other variable and substitute na lang dito. So, kunwari, the square root of yan hinahanap natin. So, we have 5 minus the square root of b. Ayan. Next, take square of both sides para mawala, a na lang matira. So, we have 5 minus the square root of b. Huwag muna natin siya i-expand. And then, substitute na natin dito. So, we have 5 minus the square root of b squared minus b is equal to 5. And ganyan, expand na natin. We have 25. Dapat marunong na tayo mag-expand. Ayan. Plus b, kasi makakancel na yon. Minus b is equal to 5. Ito mawawala. And itong 10b, lipat ko sa kabila. We have 10 the square root of b. And minus, we have 20. Divide both sides by 10, we have 2. Dapat marunong na tayo ng mga basic. So, to get b, just square. So, mawawala to. We have b is equal to 4. Meron na tayong b. Substitute na lang natin dito. So, a minus b is equal to 5. A is equal to, lipat natin yung b. We have positive 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So, ayan na yung sagot na dalawa.